beginning, on day one, we did a sprint audit where we looked at kind of the activities the team are mostly doing. And a lot of them are very feature driven, just kind of thinking about delivering features after feature after feature and not really digging into the why are we building this feature, what value does it bring for our users.
At first, as a product owner, I focus on creating stories, epics, and focusing on sprints rather than focusing on the strategy. So as a product manager, I've learned how to focus more on the markets rather than creating stories.
Before the training, my focus is mostly on managing the backlogs, writing user stories, and making sure that the team delivers features. So now, after the training, it's more of understanding the product vision. I'm thinking now of the big picture, what could be the real problems that the user encounters.
Before the training, it has always been output for me as a product manager. How many tickets I have delivered, what to be delivered. What left a big impression on me was the output versus outcome delivery. So this led me to start thinking that we should also be able to question why we are developing a feature.
After the training, it shifted my mindset from managing product delivery into focusing on owning the product outcomes. My approach right now is more of focusing not just on the delivering the output, but more of focusing on the outcome itself.
So by the end of the training, people are thinking about moving from outputs to outcomes, where we start to think about why we're building the thing, who is it for. We do, user research, we dig into talking to users, talking to stakeholders, aligning the whole business, the whole team around what we're delivering. So by the end, they are super focused on outcome-driven development. They're creating outcome-driven roadmaps, and they integrate metrics as well into their planning. So everything is metric-driven, outcome-driven development. We work on active case studies, so something from their real lives. They're not just learning the theory, but they're actually applying it to a real product. By the end of the training, they're ending with an improved product, not just learning the theory, but actually improving product and talking about how they're going to change the process in their company as well.